यस स्टूडेंट्स, ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन में सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ेंगे HNO3. फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी HNO3, दैट इज नाइट्रिक एसिड. नाइट्रिक एसिड, नाइट्रिक एसिड. ओके, और सब इसमें लेबोरेटरी प्रिपरेशन, लेबोरेटरी प्रिपरेशन में KNO3 की रिएक्शन करवाएंगे हम H2SO4 के साथ में and give heat. It will form HNO3 plus KHSO4, potassium bisulfate, and this is the laboratory preparation of HNO3. Or if we have to form HNO3 on a large scale, we will use the method of Ostwald process. Ostwald's process, very important process for the manufacture of HNO3 on a large scale. On a large scale, if we have to manufacture HNO3, Ostwald process is used. In this Ostwald process, catalytic oxidation of NH3 ammonia by atmospheric oxygen. Catalytic oxidation of NH3 by atmospheric oxygen. In this reaction, first ammonia gas will react with oxygen gas in the presence of platinum or rhodium. That symbol is RH, and at 500 Kelvin temperature and 9 bar pressure, it will form 4NO. when it will 5 plus 6H2O gas. Okay, this is the nitric oxide. This is nitric oxide. We will balance the reaction with 5O2, 4NO2 and NO and 6H2O. Our reaction is balanced now. Now this NO will react with oxygen. This is the reversible reaction and form NO2. This NO react with O2 and form a NO2. This is also gas, this is also gas, and this is also gas. We will just balance the reaction. 2NO, it gives to 2NO2. Okay, the NO combines with oxygen and give NO2, and NO2 further react with H2O water liquid and gives HNO3 plus NO gas, which is again recycled in the manufacture of HNO3. Means at the final stage we again get the NO, nitric oxide, and which further use in the manufacture of HNO3. Again it will react with the O2 and form a NO2. So it will be recycled. It will be recycled in the process, and the HNO3 first we will just balance the reaction. 3NO2 and it will give 2 HNO3. Okay, so this HNO3 we get it 68% by mass. Okay, NO thus formed is recycled, and aqueous HNO3 can be concentrated by the distillation up to 68% by mass. Now if we want to become it 98%, by 98% of conc HNO3 can be achieved by dehydration with conc HNO3. ओके यदि हमें 98% होना है तो इसी conc HNO3 में हम इसको डिहाइड्रेट करेंगे. नाउ टॉक अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ HNO3. We will discuss here the structure of HNO3. We know nitrogen has 5 electron. Okay, this 5 electron 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, this it will attach with O and this will attach with H, and this lone pair of electron is donate to the again O and form, this will form a double bond. Okay, so resonance occur here, this oxygen दोनों के बीच में. तो क्या होगा आपका, इनकी ये जो देखिए लोन पेयर होता है, दैट लोन पेयर इज टोटली डोनेटेड टू द नेक्स्ट ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है ना, और इसका नेक्स्ट जो हो जाएगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, ये वाला इधर आ जाएगा एंड दिस विल कम हियर. ये सेम एज इट इज रहेगा. ओके, तो this is the structure of HNO3. Now we talk about the properties of HNO3. Number 1 property is colorless liquid. Number 2, it is a strong acid, and it is also used as strong oxidizing agent. Strong oxidizing agent. Structure is planar. This is the structure is इसका क्या है, planar है इसका, planar molecule है. And HNO3 is act as a strong oxidizing agent when it react with water. HNO3 when react with water, it will give hydronium ion plus NO3 ion in the form aqueous form. Okay, this is also aqueous form and this is also liquid. Okay, so concentrated nitric acid is strong conc HNO3 is strong oxidizing agent.